Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, it's almost August and boy, things have changed around here. It's pretty hot, so I'm gonna go hide from the heat in a second after I finish my video with you. Yeah, the B&Bs are heating up, and Pete and I are learning a lot about running B&Bs, so we're gonna share that data with you as we get it. Things have changed in that regard with the COVID restrictions and whatnot, and this is really the first year that we've sort of done everything ourselves. You know, we do all the cleaning and everything ourselves because we wanted to make sure it was perfect. So aside from that, I have an amazing property that I wanted to show you. It's a ruin, and I remember a couple of years ago seeing it listed for like 120,000 euros, which to me was way too much. It is actually on the market for 40 now. It is a huge ruin on the street coming up to Santa Domenica to Laos. So it has really super great access, as you'll see. It has some land with it. You can grow olive trees, do whatever you want with that. So I'm going to show it to you, and if you're interested, let me know, because it could be something really spectacular, and the views from there are unbelievable. So anyway, enjoy the video and contact me if you have any questions or if you're planning to come over, and I'll see you here. There's a garage under here, and then there's another room on the other side. Then you have this whole bit on the top, and a lot of space. It doesn't look like a lot, but there is. And then it has a garden that goes down.
E si va nel terreno sottostante.
Il terreno che va con questa
Qui va con questa villa, però qui
Okay.
c'è un passaggio dove si può andare nell'otto fino alla strada giù.
Oh, okay. So c'è un altro
Sì.
orto.
Sono 400 metri di terreno.
Oh, 400 meters of land. Okay, that's good, with a lot of potential. Door to get in. It's right off the street, so I would close that up and make the door somewhere else. Again, I don't have my stick. Sorry for the jiggles.
Almeno qui.
Okay.
Queste macchine.
Oh, okay. The land ends right about here, so you could make this a little parking area, but there's also an area to drive in down below. You have a lot of options as far as parking goes here. Okay, you can see here there's a little dog here with a bell. You got the house up here, and you see the house up here, you can kind of see it. It's quite big, and the land comes all the way down here.